Let's put some bread. One, two, three, four. A bit of water. Okay. And salt. And what you need to do is you got to smash them. Smash and squeeze it. Okay. That's too wet. You can add up more to bread. 2 sliced breads, okay. And one more. Don't put too much water on it because it's gonna look shit. Alright. Looks good now. And we're gonna add powder. Put powder in. That's it, should be alright. And mix them together. Alright guys, so it's done. So what you need to do when you put them to your hook, you just take a little bit of this like that and do it like this. Should be alright. Okay, that's how you make it. Cheers for watching guys, subscribe and like. Thank you.